Welcome back. Today again, this is the day, the final day, the big day, the day where everyone been waiting for. It's it's Christmas Day. Right over here we got a massive, big top celebrity, turkey. We need to get him in the oven. Santa gave me a nice secret last night was I was sleeping the best way how to roast it. Cause I did have another way which I want to roast it, but Santa said no. Try my way. I'm gonna try his way today and see what happened. Well, welcome back to the again with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We all know that it's Christmas Day today and we have to give it the best recipe for Christmas Day. There's a secret in turkey, not to get it dry, but to get it perfect. I'm gonna share that tips with you today. And this is the best way. 48 hours ago, I marinate my turkey and now it's ready. You have to do that, guys. Every year before you roast a turkey, you need to get it marinated, soak perfectly with a lot of garlic and seasoning and get it ready. Well, Santa said do it this way this year and see what happened. So this is the way we're gonna roast our Christmas turkey today for our Christmas dinner. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. Lovely. So right over here, I got a nice big shaven tin. Look, really massive. Fit straight for the oven. First of all, we need to put that big boy inside of it, just like this. Bang! Straight in there. Get all the rest of the season. Do not waste those season, guys. All the juice from off the turkey. Lovely. So what you need to do is simple. Put a little bit of water in the bottom of the shin. Put a piece of cling film on top of the turkey like this. This is Santa foil, the big one. So as you can see, I just wrap it, and that's the best way, Santa said, to get the turkey roast. You get it really moisture, soft and tender. You don't want the turkey dried out, no taste, no flavor. You just dry it. Well, we're gonna put it in the oven on a medium size heat. If you're using gas mark, it's good to have your gas mark 9 or 8. I'm gonna say the different oven 175 is really good for it to keep it at a perfect heat. And as I say, you're gonna roast it for roughly 45 minutes inside of the oven to get it that beautiful color and that beautiful taste, guys. Enjoy the recipe. I just remove the foil and the cling film from top of this big boy turkey. Well, what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna pour off the sauce into another pot. I'm gonna mix it with some honey and glaze it back over it, and to get that beautiful roast for your Christmas dinner turkey. Guys, you're gonna love the recipe. It's a really nice recipe, and hopefully you will love the recipe. If you can see, look at this, even the bone, because you don't want your turkey to be dry, because most people when they're cooking turkey is so dry. You don't want your turkey to be dry. You want to keep it moisture and very soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour off that beautiful sauce off the turkey now and mix it with a little bit of honey and pour it on top of it to get that beautiful glazed color. Enjoy the recipe, guys, from Chef Ricardo. Lovely. So as you can see, what I'm doing at the moment is to take off these bits of the turkey right here. As you can see, I need to get that beautiful color on the turkey, so I'm just removing all of those bits off the turkey right here. I'm gonna simply put these in the pot, which I'm making up that gravy at the moment. But as you can see right here, just remove all of these bits. You can see how the turkey is just really tender so far. Looking so lovely, guys. It's a nice turkey recipe from Chef Ricardo today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove it from this, and I'm gonna simple mix up that sauce, give it a little bit of body with a little bit of turkey sauce, which is drain off just not too long. What I'm gonna simply do, look at this now, guys. Just pop a little bit pinch of browning inside of the pot. Lovely and nice. Simple, put a little bit of ketchup, and right over here I got some white wine, which I'm gonna also put inside of it to give it a nice flavor. It's the wine I'm using, roughly quarter cup of wine inside of it. Nice one. As you can see, you can use any wine you have at your home, leave over back, you know what I mean, from a couple of days ago. You can use that wine inside of it just to give it a nice lovely flavor, a nice lovely taste. So, well, as you can see already, oh, looking lovely and really nice. So let's give it a taste. That's beautiful. Wow, that's really nice. Then the next thing what you need to do after you do that, you need to get the honey and pour it straight inside of it like this. A lot of honey in it. Give it a nice flavor, a nice sweet kick. Down inside of it. Lovely. Alright then. Lovely and nice. As you can see, the flavor is just really getting, man, I'm telling you, this sauce is gonna be really nice. Let's give it a taste. So I need a little white vinegar, little honey, little browning, and a little more, put a little bit more ketchup inside of it. Lovely. What I'm gonna simply do, most people don't like to use corn flour to thicken their sauce, but it's no worries, it's fine. What you can simply do is put a piece of a butter inside of it, just to give it a nice kick up and a nice shiny, really glazy look, which the butter is gonna give it. So as you can see, lovely and nice. 1 spoon of butter inside of it, just to make it look shiny and glazy when you're gonna pour this sauce over the turkey. That's the turkey sauce. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of corn flour and thicken it. Meantime the butter being melted. Start to boil. Butter being melted away. Now I'm gonna pour that sauce inside of it, just to thicken it. A little bit of corn flour. So as you can see, just a little bit more, just to get it really thick. Give that 2 more minutes and make it get boiled, and then get to pour over your turkey. Now I'm gonna strain it over the turkey, if you guys can see what I'm doing, and put it back in the oven for another 5 to 10 more minutes. Nice and lovely gravy for your turkey. So I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love this turkey. Right here, I'm just gonna strain this over the turkey, just like this, guys, just to get the flavor from it on top of the turkey with the gravy and everything. Really nice, as I can see what I'm doing at the moment. Just to get the flavor from the turkey. So this is the sauce we should take from the turkey and pour it straight inside of a pot with a little bit of white wine. So as you can see what I'm doing at the moment, just to get the turkey really moisture. You don't want the turkey to be really dry. A lot of people, when they're making the turkey, it is too dry. You need to make your turkey have that lovely flavor and that lovely taste. So let's put a little bit more of that sauce we should just make a while ago from it, on top of it same way, just to get it moisture. Lovely. And this is a nice lovely turkey sauce, man. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put back this in the oven for another good 15 minutes inside of the oven, just to make it get a little bit glazed on the top of the turkey, but not to make it dry, but you just want to get that beautiful flavor inside of it, guys. Oh, look at that, really nice. So I'm gonna put back my turkey in the oven for another 15 minutes, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, guys. As you can see, look at that beautiful turkey. Look at the whole texture of the turkey. Let's get a little bit of a sauce on this side of it, guys. Look at that, man. This is your Christmas dinner turkey, guys. You cannot leave out your turkey. Really nice, as you can see. I'm doing it right here. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. The color you want to have with your turkey. So as you can see, the color of the turkey looking so lovely and nice. You can see the difference of the turkey now when I put that sauce over it. Looking so nice. So now my turkey is finished, and now I'm doing some curry goat and also some ribs, also some gungo rice and peas. So there's a lot of things on the table for Christmas dinner today, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the roast turkey. This is the turkey, the way it look. Hopefully you will just love it, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out similar like these, guys. So enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much. Bye.